Hello, let us do one question of GATE 2021 Mathematics Complex Analysis. The number of zeros counting multiplicity of pz is equal to 3z to the power 5 plus 2iz square plus 7zi plus 1 in the annular region z belongs to complex plane C such that z mod greater than 1 and z mod less than 7 is death. Solution. If we find the region, here clearly z mod greater than 1, and if we plot the z mod equal to 1, then this will be z mod equal to 1, and if we plot z mod equal to 7, then it is the circle. Now here the annular is z mod greater than 1 and less than 7, so the annular region will be this region. Now we have to find number of zeros in this region. We solve this by Roche's theorem, and Roche's theorem stated if fz and gz are two analytic function inside and on the closed contour C, and fz mod less than gz mod on C, closed contour C on C, then gz and fz plus gz had same number of zero in the closed contour C. Now first we have to find number of zeros present inside the closed contour z mod less than 1. Here the function is 3z to the power 5 plus 2iz square plus 7iz plus 1. Take fz is equal to 3z to the 5 plus 2iz square plus 1 and gz is equal to 7iz. Then the maximum value occur at the boundary point by maximum modulus theorem. So fz mod occur at its boundary, that is 1. So this is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6, and gz mod is equal to 7. Clearly fz mod less than gz mod in closed contour z mod less than 1. So gz and fz plus gz has same number of zero in z mod less than 1. Here gz has only 1 0 in z mod less than 1. So this implies that fz plus gz, which is equal to 3z to the power 5 plus 2iz square plus 7iz plus 1, has 1 0 in z mod less than 1. We have to find number of zero in the closed contour z mod less than 7. Here the function is 3z to the power 5 plus 2iz square plus 7iz plus 1. Take fz is equal to 2iz square plus 7iz plus 1 and gz is equal to 3z to the power 5. Again, by maximum modulus theorem, the maximum of fz and gz occur at its boundary. So fz mod is equal to 2 into 7 square plus 7 into 7 plus 1, which is equal to 2 into 49 plus 49 plus 1, and gz mod is equal to 3 into 7 to the power 5, which is clearly greater than fz mod. So in closed contour z mod less than 7, fz mod less than gz mod. So by Roche's theorem, gz and fz plus gz has same number of 0 in the closed contour z mod less than 7. Now clearly gz is equal to 3z to the 5 has 5 0 in z mod less than 7. So fz plus gz is equal to 3z to the power 5 plus 2iz square plus 7iz plus 1 has 5 0 in the contour z mod less than 7. So the function 3z to the 5 plus 2iz square plus 7iz plus 1 has 1 0 in the closed contour z mod less than 1 and 5 0 in the closed contour z mod less than 7. So the function 3z to the 5 plus 2iz square plus 7iz plus 1 has 5 minus 1 4 0 in the annular z mod greater than 1 less than 7. So for this question the numerical answer will be 4. Thank you.